I'd like to introduce the Carbon Capture EnviroPlex, which is an integrated system that incorporates carbon capture, permanent carbon dioxide removal from Earth's atmosphere, with regenerative agriculture. It's a large building. It incorporates real estate, so literally half of its footprint is we can use it any way we like. It's real estate. That's part of the way of offsetting the cost. And the other half of it is a greenhouse vertical farm that produces food. The key component of this EnviroPlex is a little tiny, think of it as a pixel in a very large image. But here it is. This machine here, this prototype, is a fan unit for something I call the Carbon Capture Module. And the Carbon Capture Module uses 16 of these fan units, and it is a structural wall unit. So it's a part of the actual building of the EnviroPlex, but an active part, not just a wall. It has fans in it. These fans are moving air. The air is having the CO2 removed from it. It's kind of a three-component integrated system. Firstly, you have this fan unit. Secondly, you have the carbon capture module. And thirdly, you have the EnviroPlex, which has 8 of these very large, 35 feet by 10 feet by about 18 inches, these structural wall units. And for a total of 128 of these fan units. It is intended to be not only inexpensive, but actually profitable. It's intended every step of the way to provide return on investment to the investor. It is designed to provide multiple benefits to the communities it is installed in. This last summer, we actually built this prototype and ran it and tested it on the East Coast. And right here, my friends, is some captured carbon. This little bit of white stuff at the bottom here is roughly 30 grams of carbon dioxide that used to be in Earth's atmosphere. By the way, the carbon capture module is flexible in that it can run on multiple chemistries. Because it's modular, the different modules can be running on different chemistries. In this case, we used sodium hydroxide as our capture fluid because sodium hydroxide reacts strongly with carbon dioxide, turns it into sodium bicarbonate. That sodium bicarbonate can be converted into a number of valuable, marketable products. So that's our intention, to see if we can find a way to make money, provide multiple benefits to communities, and to create return on investment for those who put up the funds to get this job done. It's really exciting. It works. We've tested it. We now know what it takes to do this. And by doing the multiplication, by doing the arithmetic, we can determine how many of these fan units running 24/7, 365 days a year, it would take to make a measurable difference in the Earth's atmosphere and to be the first step toward restoring our climate. So that's the Carbon Capture EnviroPlex. Thank you.